All right, so today has turned into a let it sit day. Nobody really had anything. JB Hunt had like 2 loads. Uber's got some garbage. Convoy's got some garbage. A TQL had a bunch of loads. So conversing back and forth with them, pissing off some brokers. They had one that was 5 drops all the way to like Alabama and then back across the Panhandle to Jacksonville and back down to almost Miami. And it was misrepresented, so it just said back down to Miami. And I bid $2,500. He's like, yeah, I can set you up on this. And he's like, oh yeah, by the way, it's 5 drops. I'm like, what are you talking about? So then he sends me just the zip codes, not the cities. So you have to like search it yourself. And zip searched it all out. And I was like, man, that's crazy. I'll do it $5,000. He's like, you crazy, $5,000? We'll do it for $3,500. And I was like, I'm right here, man. You can either book it or not. And he came back and said $4,000. I said, I'll do 5. And so I skipped on that one. Got another one in my hometown that they kept pulling off the board, making me think that it was gone. And then 3 different brokers called me and said it was back up. And it doesn't pick up till 5 tonight. So maybe they'll call me on that one later. But I'm back home and that one picks up in my home. But I'm gonna park the truck, not haul their cheap crap. And I mean, a bunch of stuff out there tomorrow. And one of the brokers today from TQL told me they got so much stuff they need to move today and tomorrow. Then book it. Stop trying to bump up your margins. Stop trying to, everyone put their hands in it. They have broker agents and they get the brokers. Everyone's trying to get money off of it. And this one load I'm trying to get tonight from Simpsonville down to south of Orlando by about 30 miles. I was pushing 2,100 on it. And they came back at 16, then they came back 17, 1750. Now they're at 18. And I was like, you book it for $2,000, I'll take it right now. And they can't do it because they want to get their margins on it. So stick to your guns. We'll see if that one pans out. And right now I'm gonna go home. Got a little project I've been wanting to do. So I'm gonna load up the old trusty Tundra. 2004 to 2006 Tundras with the 4.7 V8. I got this thing for $4,000 and it hasn't given me one freaking issue. I've had 3 of these trucks over the last 10 years and you just put the gas and oil in them and you just keep going. I love them. But I got a little project. We're gonna get that going. You can help me feed them down? Okay. So we got a little problem with the old wheels here. Nice crack all the way through. Found a place finally to get them fixed up and maybe put some color on them. So we drove the truck in the backyard, got to load them up. And you're going to help me? Mm-hmm. That's my middle. That's my Kaysen. Say hi, Kaysen. Can you wave hi? All right. Mama's tires? Mama's tires. What are we going to do with them?
I don't know.
Put them in the back of the big truck or the white truck?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And we're going to go.
Where are we going to take them?
We're going to go get them fixed at a place.
Oh.
Can you give me a little hi?
Uh-huh.
All right. This is my 4-year-old Cash.
After we...
Oh, really? And you had fun today at school?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm going to get you, dude. All right. Picked up a couple passengers, but this is it. If you're in Greenville, South Carolina, it took me a while to find them. They actually posted an ad on Facebook, but I was searching all kinds of repair places for wheels, and then nothing came up, but these guys popped up for an ad they ran, so I'm glad they ran the ad. See what they can do. Puppy's chasing you.
Oh.
So, oh, dog just ran right in. You can make it. You can make it. There you go. That's like a 3-week-old puppy, so. Are you going to drive your fire truck?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, unfortunately, watch out for the puppy, okay? He says he can't fix that. He's got pictures all over the place of like a whole section cut out, but I just don't know if he didn't want to mess with it or what. But he says since it's on the spoke, he can't fix it. Yeah, he can come in there. So, yeah, we're going to post these up for sale, see if somebody else wants to deal with it, but not us. So, anybody wants some 26s that fit a Tahoe, Suburban, or Escalade, I got some for you. Probably sell them for about $800, but you got to fix them. All right. Still didn't find a load. Gonna keep looking for a little bit, but I think I'm gonna be spending the night here and look for something tomorrow. Brokers were just holding on a little too tight today to margin, so I didn't go for it. Come on, Case, let's go. You can drive it. But yeah, that's today. Unfortunately, I thought I was gonna get some rims fixed and not happening, so maybe they can help you out, but they couldn't help me out. All right, God bless, and we'll talk to you guys soon.